welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm working on a Moroccan palette. Anyways, it's a Fenty Beauty palette. So right offhand, I do love this palette. Let me know if you want to see swatches from this palette, and if you hear anything in the background, it's my baby girl and shout to her favorite cartoon. If you hear anything in the background, so hope everybody's doing good and staying safe. And yeah, if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica, like I said. And please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join the Simply Beauty family. Okay, so right offhand, I do love this palette. The color storage palette is very pretty. I don't know if I did show you everything what I got for my birthday, but I posted a quick video somewhere on this video in the corner. But you also can see what I got for my birthday on my IG. So yeah. But anywho, I tried to copy the Rihanna's Wild Thoughts tutorial that she did. Kind of, sort of, not to the T, but you get the idea. Whenever you see her, then go to mine. So yeah, so that's how I came up with this eye look for today. Alright, so we're just gonna kind of smoke this palette out, make it more vibrant. And yeah, so I really do like this palette, like I said. I did get like 2 of the mini highlighters and 2 of the mini glosses also, and I got a setting powder. I love the setting powder. I got it in honey and another one in cashew. I've not tried the that powder yet, but I don't know, I haven't tried it out yet. I think it's gonna work the same as this. This one reminds me of the yellow tone, but you get a lot of product, so that's what I really do like. I was using L'Oreal Mercier, then I ran out of that. Then I was using Benna, then I ran out of that. Then I went to what was it, Makeup Revolution one. It was in banana, that setting powder, and then I was tired of using that because I'm like, no, I need something way better, and this one by far my favorite setting powder. Also, I'm going to link in here below how I apply the lashes. You still can use my code. Also, it's Simply Jess. You get 10% off, or buy one get off. Buy one get one free. I think that's still going on too. So I'll just link that also below in the description bar also. So yeah, this is very quick look using this palette. Let me know if you do have this palette. And yeah. So anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Alright, and also with these highlighters, I need to go ahead and get the brush. I don't have the brush to go with the Fenty Beauty that uses the highlighter and everything. I'm using a regular brush, and then this is not it. It's not even picking up the product good, so I'm trying my best to show you. Then I kind of went overboard on this cheek, so you know, if you can't see my highlighter out of space, you're not even doing it right. So yeah, I'm just showing you. I did OD on this highlighter because I didn't have the correct brush. But yeah, just let you know. But anywho, yeah, see you in the next video. I'm out.
You